Stocks that would be in focus. Navneet is here with a list of those. Navneet.
Morning, Aisha. Ranbaxy will be in news as company's existing promoters, which is Daiichi Sankyo, are weighing legal options against the former promoters of Ranbaxy, claiming that the erstwhile promoters had concealed and misrepresented some critical information. Remember, Daiichi Sankyo took over the company in June 2008, and post 3 weeks of that deal, there was a US FDA ban on 30 drugs from 2 Indian plants of Ranbaxy, and the company received its first US FDA approval for a drug only after completing 4 years of that deal. So keep an eye on Ranbaxy. That will be in focus. Moving on to the oil and gas space, which has been in news since yesterday. Some of the upstream companies will be in focus, especially the PSU upstream companies like ONGC and Oil India. There was some positive takeaway from yesterday's meeting between Finance Ministry and Oil Ministry, where the share of subsidy burden on the upstream companies has not been changed. Remember, the street was looking at a higher share of burden for these upstream company. So that's a positive takeaway from that meeting. Also, you have CLSA, which has increased the target on ONGC to 360 from an earlier target of about 300 rupees. Remember, that's an increase of about 20%. So keep an eye on all these upstream companies in today's trading session. Moving on to Jacob, well, there are some newspaper reports indicating that the company is looking to sell some stake in Navi Mumbai SEZ. Remember, the company is looking to raise funds as its investors in its real estate business are demanding returns on that. So keep an eye on Jacob. Well, if you look at that counter yesterday, that was down by about 3%. And moving on to Oracle Financial, company's offer for sale was lined up yesterday. It has received good response. The issue was subscribed by about 4 times, and the indicative price which the stock exchanges have informed is about 2386 rupees versus the floor price of about 2275, which was set by the company. The stock yesterday ended higher by about close to 1%. And lastly, Thermax, which came out with its numbers post-market as yesterday, would be reacting today. Well, if you look at the numbers, the sales for the company were down by about 13% on YOY basis, whereas the profit figure came in at about 115 crore, which was down by 11%, and the margins this time around increased just marginally to about 11.5% versus corresponding quarter margins of about 11%.